Question number 1 is find the integral of 2x to the power 5 minus 1 over 4x cubed minus 5 dx, and in the simplest form. So this is equal to 2 integral x to the power 5 dx minus 1 over 4 integral, this is x cubed, so it will be x to the power minus 3 dx minus 5 integral 1 dx. Now we know that in integration we add the powers and divide by the same increased power. So this is equal to 2 x to the power 5 plus 1 is 6 over 6 minus 1 over 4 x to the power minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 divided by minus 2 minus 5 integral of 1 dx is x and plus the constant c. So this will be x to the power 6 over 3, we cancel 2 by this. This is minus and minus, that is plus. This is x to the power minus 2, we can write it as x square minus the plus 8x square minus 5x plus c. So that is the answer of first question. Question number is given the equation of y. Find the value of dy over dx when x is equal to 8 and write your answer in the form of a root 2. So dy over dx will be, first we write y in simplified form. So y is equal to root x means x to the power half plus 4 over root x means x to the power minus half plus 4. And we know that when we differentiate, we subtract the powers. So dy over dx will be, and first we multiply these numbers, but this will be half x to the power half minus 1 is minus half plus 4, we multiplied by minus half, x to the power minus half minus 1 is minus 3 over 2, and the differential of 4 is 0. So this is equal to 1 over x to the power half is root 2 minus half is 1 over root. So 2 over root x. Then this is minus 2 over, this is x to the power 3 over 2. Now we have to find dy over dx at x is equal to 8. So wherever we have x here and we have x here, we are going to put 8 there. So this will be equal to 1 over 2 root 8 minus 2 over 8 to the power 3 over 2. We have to find this in terms of a root 2. So that is 1 over 2 root 8 minus 2 over 1 over 2 can be written as root 8 power 3. 8 to the power, it can be written as 8 to the power 3 multiply 8 to the power 1 over 2. So we have separated it. So this will be equal to 1 over 2 root 8 minus 2 over root 8 multiply root 8 multiply root 8. We are trying to get root 2, that's why we are not solving this here. So this is 1 over 2 root 8 minus root 8, and root 8 is 8, so minus 2 over 8 root 8. Somehow we are getting the same, so we multiply and divide this by 4. So we are getting 4 over 8 root 8 minus 2 over 8 root 8. Now we have the same denominator, so that is 8 root 8, and this is 4 minus 2, so that is 2 over 8 root 8. We can write this as 1 over 4 root 8, which is 1 over, we need root 2, so we need 1 over 4. Root 8 can be written as root 2 and root 2. This is, so this is 1 over 4, this is 2 root 2, so that is 1 over 8 root 2. We need root 2 in numerator, so what we are going to do, we rationalize the denominator by multiplying it divided by root 2, so this will be root 2 over 8 times 2 is 16, so that is 1 over 16 root 2. So this is a root 2 form. Question number 3 is a sequence a1, a2, a3 is defined by a1 is 1, an plus 1 is equal to k multiply an plus 1 divided by n, where n is greater than or equal to 1 and k is a positive constant. Write down the expressions for a2 and a3 in terms of k. So we have a1 is equal to 1 and an plus 1 is equal to k an plus 1 divided by an. So let's n is equal to 1. So wherever you find n, you write 1 there. So this will be equal to a1 plus 1 is equal to k a1 plus 1 over a1. We have replaced n by 1. So a2 will be k, a1 is 1, so 1 plus 1 over 1. So a2 will be 2k over 1. So a2 is, that is the value of a2. Now we write n is equal to 2. an plus 1 is equal to k an plus 1 over an. Now I am replacing all this n by 2. So it will be a2 plus 1 is equal to k a2 plus 1 over a2. So a2 plus 1 is a3 is equal to k A2 is 2k plus 1 over 2k. So A3 will be 2k plus 1 over 2. So that is the value of A3. Now part B. Given that sigma r is equal to 1 to 3, AR is equal to 10. Find the exact value of k. So we have r is equal to 1 to 3, so A1 plus A2 plus A3 from 1 to 3 only is equal to 10. We have the value of A1 is 1, A2 is 2k, and A3 is 2k plus 1 over 2 is equal to 10. We multiply all terms by 2. So this 2 and 2 will cancel. So it will be 2 plus 4k plus 2k plus 1 is equal to 20. These are the like terms. So 6k is equal to 20 minus 3 is equal to 17. So k will be 17 over 6. So that is the value of k. Question number 4. A company which is making 140 bicycles each week plans to increase its production. The number of bicycles produced is to be increased by D each week, starting from 140 in week 1, 140 plus D in week 2, and so on until the company is producing 206 in week 12. Find the value of D. So first week it is 140, second is 140 plus D, 140 plus 2D. This is the first week, second week, third week. So in 12th week, it's making 206 bicycles. So this is making a arithmetic series, first term, second term, third term. So the 12th term will be a plus n minus 1d, or we can write it a plus 11d. So a is 140 plus 11d. So this 206 is equal to 140 plus 11d. So 11d will be equal to 206 minus 140. So that is equal to 66. So D will be 66. D will be 66 divided by 11. So that is 6. So the value of D will be 6. After 12 weeks, the company plans to continue making 200 bicycles. So for the first week, second week, third week, and up to 12th week. 12th week it's making 206 bicycles. Then 13th week again 206. 14th week 206. till the end, means 52nd week it is 206 bicycles. Find the total number of bicycles in 52 weeks. So first we have to find the total number of bicycles made in 12 weeks. So S12 is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So that is equal to n is 12 over 2. 2a is 2 multiply 140 plus n minus 1 is 11 and d is 6. So that is equal to, that is 2076 bicycles the company has made during the first 12 weeks. Now from 13th week up to 52nd weeks, so they are making, so from 13th week to 52nd week, they are making 206 per week. They are making the 206 per week, 206, 206, 206. So to add it, how many weeks are there from 14th week to 52nd weeks? From 13th week. So total it is 40 weeks. You can also check is 40 plus 12. 40 plus 12 is 52, or 52 minus 12, that is 40 weeks. So that is equal to 206 multiply 40. So that is 8240. So total number of bicycles in a year is 2076 in the first 12 weeks plus 8240 in a next 40 weeks. So that will be total 10,316 bicycles. 10,316 bicycles the company is making in a year. Question number 5. fx is x square minus x plus 19. Express fx in x plus a square plus b. So it's completing the square. And we know that if fx is x square minus 8x plus 19, what we do is we divide it by 2, that is 4. We do the square of 4, that is 16. So we write plus 16 and minus 16 to balance the equation. Now this one, x square minus 8x plus 16, we know this is not x plus, the sign will be decided by this, the sign whatever with the x. If it is plus, it will come plus. If this is minus, will come minus. And this number, not 16, this number will come x minus 4 square. Now we have 19 minus 16, so it will be plus 3. So fx is this. You can compare it with x plus a square plus b. So these are the values. Now this is x minus 4 square, so it means minus 4 means positive direction of, so this is going to be, that one is So this is B. Draw the graph. So for the graph, let's say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now we have to find the points. We have the equation is y is equal to x square minus 8x plus 19. So if x is 0, y will be 19. So one point is 0 and 19. Now here we have x minus 4 square plus 3. You know that when we draw the graph of x square, this is x square graph, and when we draw the graph of x minus 4 square, so the graph shifted this side. So this is 4. So this graph is x minus 4 square. And when we add, say 3, so the graph will move 3. So the same is here. It's not very good graph, but anyway. Now this point is 0, 19, and this point will be 4 and 3. X is 4 and this y is 3. So this is the graph. Find the distance PQ. What is PQ? Let's see. The graph she shows that the coordinate of P and the coordinate of Q. So what is P and Q? So it says that the graph crosses the y-axis at P and the minimum point at Q. So we have to find PQ. So PQ will be, PQ square will be, we know that it is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So that is equal to x2, say this one, 4 minus 19 no, that is y2. We have to write x2 minus x1. So this is 4 minus 0. Although it hardly make any difference, you write y first or x first, but we have written here x2 minus x1 minus y2, 3 minus 19. So that is equal to 4 square plus minus 16 square. So that will be 16 plus 256. So PQ will be 4 root 7. So that is the length of PQ. Thank you very much for watching. We'll continue the remaining 5 questions in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Maths Rug. We are solving various question papers from O level to A level to International GCSE, GCSE, GCE, IAL.